Dr. Baxter D. Montgomery, a renowned cardiologist and trailblazer in integrative cardiovascular care, passed away unexpectedly on May 24, 2025, at the age of 59. His death, reportedly due to cardiac arrest, came as a devastating shock to the medical world and to the thousands of patients whose lives he profoundly impacted. For many, Dr. Montgomery was more than just a physician. He was a symbol of hope, compassion, and innovation. His passing has left an immeasurable void in both professional circles and the community he tirelessly served. Friends, colleagues, and former patients continue to express their grief and admiration online and in personal tributes, recalling not just his groundbreaking work, but also his kindness and empathy. As tributes pour in from all over the country, one message is clear: Dr. Montgomery's legacy will continue to inspire long after his untimely departure. From humble roots to medical excellence born and raised in Houston, Texas, Dr. Montgomery demonstrated academic excellence from a young age. He earned a degree in biochemistry from Rice University before pursuing his medical degree at the University of Texas Medical Branch in Galveston, graduating in 1990. Following his medical studies, he completed his residency in internal medicine at Baylor College of Medicine and later specialized in cardiovascular disease and clinical cardiac electrophysiology at the University of Texas Health Science Center at Houston. His impressive academic background laid the foundation for a career defined by innovation, care, and dedication. Even during his early years in practice, Dr. Montgomery stood out for his deep commitment to understanding the root causes of heart disease and finding ways to treat patients holistically. His belief that conventional methods alone could not address the rising tide of chronic illness prompted him to think beyond traditional models of care. A pioneer of integrative cardiology, in 2006, Dr. Montgomery took a bold step that would change countless lives. He founded Montgomery Heart and Wellness, MHW, a revolutionary facility dedicated to treating chronic disease through advanced, integrative approaches. At MHW, he offered a unique combination of traditional cardiology with lifestyle modification programs that emphasized plant-based nutrition, strategic micronutrient supplementation, and non-invasive therapies. The clinic became a sanctuary for patients suffering from conditions like hypertension, diabetes, obesity, and heart disease. His approach helped many reduce, and in some cases eliminate, their dependency on medication and avoid surgeries. By advocating for whole food, plant-based diets, and promoting education about lifestyle-driven care, Dr. Montgomery became a guiding light in preventive cardiology. His methods were rooted in science, but delivered with humanity and hope. Educator, author, and advocate for health, Dr. Montgomery was not only a practitioner, but also an educator who dedicated more than 2 decades to teaching as a clinical assistant professor of medicine at the University of Texas Health Sciences Center. In his role as a professor, he mentored future physicians in the value of nutritional intervention and patient-centered care. He inspired a new generation of doctors to look beyond prescriptions and consider the role of food, environment, and behavior in overall wellness. He also shared his philosophy with the public through writing. His book, The Food Prescription for Better Health, introduced readers to a practical and empowering food classification system that allowed individuals to take control of their health. The book served as a cornerstone in many homes, offering accessible guidance on how to reverse chronic conditions using dietary changes instead of invasive procedures. It was a testament to his lifelong mission of transforming healthcare through knowledge and action. Championing wellness through media and community outreach beyond the walls of his clinic and lecture halls, Dr. Montgomery sought to reach as many people as possible. He created the heart and soul of a Champion docuseries, which featured stories of real individuals who transformed their lives through the programs at Montgomery Heart and Wellness. These stories not only inspired others, but also offered tangible proof of the effectiveness of integrative healthcare. His outreach extended into community education events, wellness challenges, and collaborations with like-minded professionals across disciplines. He used every platform available to empower people to take charge of their well-being. Through seminars, interviews, and media appearances, Dr. Montgomery tirelessly promoted a message of healing and hope that resonated with people from all walks of life. Family, faith, and a life of service at the heart of Dr. Montgomery's life was a deep love for his family. He is survived by his wife, Dr. Sherry Montgomery, his children Jasmine, Evan, and Caleb, as well as his parents Harold and Patricia Montgomery. He also leaves behind his siblings, Denise Montgomery Wells and Terrence Montgomery. His family described him as a loving husband, devoted father, and a man of unwavering faith. Though his professional achievements were vast, those closest to him remember the man behind the stethoscope, a humble, compassionate individual who believed in doing good in every possible way. Whether he was sharing a quiet meal with loved ones or counseling a patient through a health crisis, Dr. Montgomery embodied the values of empathy, resilience, and service. Continuing the mission, a legacy that lives on while the loss of Dr. Baxter Montgomery is profoundly felt, his mission will endure. The Montgomery Heart and Wellness team has vowed to carry forward his vision of integrative, preventive care. The family has also encouraged contributions to the Montgomery Foundation for Integrative Health, a charitable organization dedicated to promoting holistic approaches in medicine and making these options accessible to underserved communities. His pioneering work has already set into motion a shift in how chronic disease is understood and treated. His teachings, his patients' recoveries, and his books will continue to inspire transformation in countless lives. As the medical world pauses to mourn the loss of one of its brightest minds, it also celebrates the indelible mark he has left on the future of medicine.